In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add an OpenAI API key to your Lovable project. So open up Lovable, click on projects here from the left hand side, and then select the project which you want to add the OpenAI API key to. Now from here you want to find the cloud icon, so just click on cloud, and if you don't have this set up, it might ask you to set it up here. So all I needed to do was to type enable cloud for this project, and then I just clicked on allow here, and Lovable basically did its thing. Now once this has been enabled, the cloud you will go into secrets, and from here you will be able to add your API key. So secret securely saves sensitive information like API keys. So here you will type your name for your key, so for example OpenAI, and you will paste your key in this field. Afterwards you will just click on save, and that is how you add an OpenAI key to your Lovable project. I hope this helps. Leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you next time.